What's going on, guys? It's Chris, SVT Garage. I'm here with Ryan. We're picking up the pieces for my Red Fire, and I want to show you guys how awesome this looks. I'm at my buddy's where he does painting and stuff. Full-time painter, but this is his like shop on the side, and I want to flip this around, run you guys in there, and show you just how perfect this came out. The color match. So we'll get in there, check this out, throw some light on it. Let me know what you guys think. All right, just to give you guys a quick peek at what we're doing here. This is the fuel door from Ryan's car, and then this is the deck lid for mine. And there is no copper in there. This is Red Fire. This is what it should have been.
Good stuff.
And then show you guys over here.
Okay, yeah, so whenever you're ready.
He's finishing. He's just doing a quick third correcting on this. He's just buffing it out, but nailed it. Everything looks really good. I'm excited to get this thing back to the house. And his little makeshift paint booth, he does everything in here. He's got his fan set up. So again, he does all this on the side. He is a full-time painter, and he nailed it. So gonna load these up, get them back to the house, and throw them on the car, and I can finally drive my car again. I've been dying to drive it, so it's been like 6 weeks with dealing with all this. So load this up, get on the road, get back, and I can't wait to see what this is gonna look like on the car. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're on our way back. You guys can see the spoiler chilling. Looks good. What do you think? You happy?
Dialed in.
Yeah. So
yeah,
my pieces were kind of the guinea pig for the correction to fix it. So we're happy with it. We're going with this mix, whatever variant he came out of the 4, it's spot on. So
yeah, it matches the fuel door perfectly.
Yeah. So we're gonna get this back home.
Expensive lesson. Next time, guys, if you're having paint work done, take your fuel door off and have them match it off that.
Take a panel.
Yeah.
That matches. Like, the fuel door is easy, and we learned our lesson. That won't happen again. So
yeah,
we're gonna get these parts home, get them on the car, and keep you guys updated. All right, guys, we made it back. Got the deck lid on. We didn't really see the need to film that. It's literally 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and then you got your shocks. Looks phenomenal, by the way. So we'll get a close up of that here, and let's flip this around and see what Ryan. So we have the spoiler off, and what we're doing is I got some, Ryan picked me up some 3M tape, and what we're doing is we're mimicking that outline kind of like the factory does. And Ryan had a good point. He kind of stated that this 3M tape is probably better than the stuff they use factory, because I think one of the biggest flaws on these is you always see that rubber kind of pushing out from the backside. That was one of my biggest pet peeves with this, and part of the reason why I had to get my deck lid painted was because I was trying to get in there and fix it, and when I pulled this off, it actually pulled some of the paint with it. So you got to be careful with that. And again, I think this is the answer. And then what we did is we came in here with some black RTV and just went around each bolt, because again, that's kind of how the factory had it set up, right?
Yeah, it was like a double-sided tape.
Yeah.
This waterproof it.
Yeah, we just want to make sure no moisture or water gets in there. We're gonna go ahead, lay this on, and let's get this set up and get my spoiler back on the car.
Y'all saw the back of the car and how great that came out. Come check this out. This is the JLT full-length radiator cover. I've got one on my car We had this thing paint matched. Look at that.
So what my guy did was paint match it and then smoothed it, because this comes with a rough ABS texture. And
absolute game changer in my opinion.
So
I mean, it covers all the headlight nonsense. And I've talked to Phil about making a full-length cover out of metal, but because it would be metal, it would have to be a 3-piece design. This, I'm going to get the one on my car paint matched just like this. It's going to look...
He might be getting
two. I'm going to do a 2-3 Whipple. That's going to be paint matched too.
No, you're not. Get the hell out of here. Making a little mini-me? Is that what you're doing now? With the wheels?
Yeah.
So, guys, JLT, full-length rad cover.
If you right off their website, it was like $220 or something like that.
Wait.
It comes with all new hardware.
You sold that one to me for $260.
Come back here and show them, bro.
I know.
Zoom up. Zoom out on that thing.
Yeah, that is a good idea. So there she is. It
cleans.
Yeah, it really does.
Now, I've seen some guys tack it up by putting Terminator across here. I'm not a fan of that.
No. Hey, get the other one.
I think this is clean.
So if you guys do remember what I had on the car for years, I paint matched the factory one, which I liked.
Yeah, we leveled up.
But this is a little different. That's on another level right there. So guys,
hang on the wall, bro.
Yeah, I got to keep that.
You got to keep that.
JLT paint matched. Looks good. Yeah. And you guys obviously saw us put this on. The only thing I have to get, which I didn't, there's 2 things I didn't get back from him, was I got to get the plastic pieces for the deck lid and then the rubber bump stops here. So I'm gonna order these tonight, just so I have them on their way, and then I'll finish buttoning all this up later. So other than that, Ryan, since when do we work on my car? This is nice. This is different. And then you guys know the Harple badge came out phenomenal. So the FOMOCO, the little twist in there, I like it. Came out good. Feels nice to get my car back together. It's been about 6 weeks with the mishap with the paint. Absolutely nailed it. I mean, the transition is awesome. We were in the light. We had multiple different lights on it, flashlights. This out in the sun earlier today, using our phones, and this is the color. So glad that's done.
So much cleaner without that Eco Boost badge on there.
I know, but that was when it was turbo, though, dude.
Yeah.
So a little twist.
Look, we even clean each other's cars.
Yeah. Thanks for using a dirty rag, though.
No, it's a clean rag.
And Ryan's is about, he said a week out?
Yeah.
He's got some minor parts he's painting.
Grand National.
Yeah, he's doing a Grand National right now, and then once that's done and out of the booth, his stuff's going in.
Gonna be going, and I'm doing the hood, the front bumper, the radiator cover, the rear bumper.
The rear bumper, so you're getting some paint work done.
And the mirrors.
And the mirrors, yeah.
Since my mirrors are copper colored.
Since half his car's copper, but
the paint match now, I'm telling you guys, you can't.
I was telling him how we used multiple different lights and we triple checked it, and even we noticed on the other the bad stuff, the flake was way off.
The flake was way off,
but this
the flake is
spot on.
It's identical.
Because Red Fire does. Can't put your light on there.
You couldn't tell.
Put your light on there.
You can never tell that this was painted.
Yeah, but you can see how much flake actually Red Fire has, and the other stuff, it was way off. So
super underrated color, I think.
I got my babies back together. This one here is my favorite. I love this car. Like you guys know, I've had this thing for 10 years, about 12 now, and yeah, I'm just glad it's back.
She's gonna be on the channel here soon for some major overhaul stuff.
Yeah, she needs some love. We're always working on his stuff and everybody else's.
Take that IRS out, build that thing to the moon, powder coat the whole
powder
thing.
coat it, clean it up.
It's gonna look like the IRS that's in my silver car.
Yep. So, well, you happy with tonight?
Yeah.
I appreciate your help too, man. Thank you. You guys know we're gonna say our goodbyes. SVT Garage, Chris.
Ryan.
Thank you guys for tuning in again. We are not taking a break from the Fox body. I had to get this stuff out of paint, and I had to get this back together.
It's been raining every day anyway.
And I'm gonna flip this around real quick, and then we'll come back. It's rolling in again, so it's every day here right now. This is the season for it. But
yeah, you need the Whipple tensioner up here and the Roush idler tensioner.
We talked about it. We got we got some videos coming up on this too. We just gotta pump out that Fox body. So stay tuned, guys. Again, it's Chris, Ryan, SVT Garage, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.